Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt. This is take two.
Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida.
Yes.
#1 RV dealership in the state of Florida.
That's right. Number 3
in the
whole universe.
The whole universe.
Right.
The whole galaxy and beyond.
Galaxy. So today we're doing something different and new for Midwest Automotive Design.
Yeah. So what's cool is we have a great relationship with Midwest. Ron Preston's a great friend of mine, great friend of Hank's, and they've released a new floor plan. And they said, Nick, we want you to have the first one. This was from an idea of one of the Midwest owners from the Midwest owner groups. And Ron, I think they used to do it in the past. They haven't done it recently, but because of the great relationship that Midwest has built with their people, they are listening and then they're making new floor plans. They're up for trying some new things.
Okay, so what exactly is it?
So this is a Heritage. This is their new line. Heritage on a Sprinter. It's a 170 extended.
Right.
This is all-wheel drive. Speaking of, before we move on that, check that bad boy out.
But that's a teaser. We want to keep this video short.
So you're not going to cut me off full time, are you?
I'll try not to. But this looks the same of what I see from Midwest on the outside.
The Midwest Sprinter van. What's cool is the inside is different. You know, they right now they make two major floor plans, an MD2 and an MD4. Those are the two main floor plans that they make on the 170 extended. The MD2 has 2 seats up front.
Just here, driver, passenger.
Just driver, passenger, a big fridge. The MD4 has driver, passenger, 2 seats behind it, a small fridge, but they both have the same couch in the back. Yeah, because you've got those 2 seats right behind here. Guess what they made here? If they had
MD5.
No.
Oh.
An MD3. Oh. Come on, Hank.
Okay, I thought maybe it would go up.
This is C3.
There you go. So very nice.
They have
that color.
The MD4, which has 4 seats, and an MD2, which has 2 seats and a little bit longer. This is the MD3, so it has 1, 2, 3 seats, but guess what they give you that the MD4 does not have?
A very nicely sized refrigerator.
Large fridge. This does have more seats. And that's the thing. People may be saying, but Nick, I don't take 3 people with me. Why do I need an MD3? Well, if you do like an extra seat, sometimes people want to take this seat here and they want to swivel it. And in order to swivel it, to have someone to sit across from.
Yeah, so you can get out of the driver. You can leave the driver ready to go, and then the passenger and the driver could sit opposite each other here. That's what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
So they can sit opposite, they can recline their feet, they can have a meal together. This is why people do it. I think it's a great floor plan. Obviously, like any of these vans, it's not for everybody, right? I mean, this is not ideal for people that don't want it. They want bigger cabinet, but the only thing you're losing is a little bit of a kitchen.
So that gets truncated right here.
Right there, rather than coming out to like right here and then put the extra seat. But you still get the MD2 storage there. You still get the big fridge. You still get the bathroom. We'll jump in. So what's cool about
and we're not showing the outside because that's what you would always see.
Correct.
So you can always check out either one of our videos for that.
So what's cool is the Heritage has their new cabinets, which is new colors, new shapes, new designs. This has the weave floor. This has a lot of cool stuff that Midwest is doing in the Heritage. So like, this is a big storage cabinet.
Oh yeah, wow.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Right in front.
People are always asking where they could put their shoes. That's the first thing I thought when I saw that.
I put my shoes on my feet, Hank. I don't know where your people are putting them.
I mean, you know.
I mean, you need more than 1 pair of shoes when you travel?
Yeah.
Oh,
you gotta have flip-flops, shoes, mud shoes.
You wear toe thongs?
You know, I do what I gotta do.
You wear toe thongs?
I do what I have to do, Nick. Don't judge me.
Do you sell your toe thong pictures on the internet?
OnlyFans.
Okay. So this is adjustable, which is nice. So you can adjust these any way you want, or just take them out. You don't need them. But nice big storage. But what I think is unique, if you do have a 3rd seat, if you do want to bring a 3rd person, if you do want to bring, now there's 6 seat belts in here. This would actually fit my entire family, me, my wife, and my 4 kids. Yeah. So 3 seat belts up front, 3 seat belts in the back. I'd have to pick my favorite kid to ride here, and then the other 3, I'd just throw them in the back. Yeah. Convection microwave, but I love this. This is what's cool. So you have a bigger fridge, and you have a big
freezer down here. Whoever sits back here can have easy access to the fridge. So they might not want to do it because I would always be saying, get me a drink out the fridge.
So what I like about this, I like the rounded cabinets here. I like that there's no latches. I think this is what's cool about the Heritage.
Okay, so these are all Heritage features.
This is all Heritage features.
Rounded.
This is like that gray cabinets that they do.
Yeah, open everything.
This floor is unique.
Oh, this is a basket weave. Let's go close so people can see.
But this is their big bathroom, the big shower that they do.
So yeah, this is big.
But there again, on the MD4 or the MD2, all of this is the same size, Hank. This is all the exact same size. There's no difference on this when it comes to the MD2, MD3, MD4. The difference is in this seat.
Okay.
And
so let me go this way here. So this is what you guys would have here. You could turn this seat around also if you do have three people trying to sit and talk with each other.
Yeah.
And then just to give people a quick thing of what's going on up front here, check that out. We've got a digital rear view mirror, as well as, I like having, you know, a control panel up here. And then this is a camera monitor here. Very nice.
Camera, power seats, heated seats, massaging seats. They do have a Firefly up there. There's a 10-inch nav screen, adaptive cruise, the digital mirror. So lots of cool Mercedes features that are on all the Midwest vans. But, you know, the rest of this is the same as what would be on an MD2.
Yeah, rectangular sink.
Yep, rectangular sink, double induction stove. This does have the Eco Freedom package, which is one of the only vans with no propane. So, so you have 1,080 amp hours of lithium. You have a 3,000 watt inverter, 300 watts of solar, underhood generator, and no propane anywhere.
So you could option a Heritage with a generator, though, if you want a generator.
Yeah, we actually have one with generator. We have one without. So,
cool.
Some people like the generator option because it saves them 20 grand.
Yeah.
And they just don't need lithium. Some people like the lithium model because they have the freedom to not have to have a generator or be plugged in. But what's cool in 2025, they did some cool upgrades. Like they put LED lights in these countertops.
Yeah, we don't have them on right now. Here's your Victron and your control panel. This is like the second one from the front. Take our word for it. We've shown it in tons of videos. There's some nice lights that come on here.
I like the lights that are under here. I think that's a nice look. And then also the lights that are above the cabinets. So you got the LED lights above the cabinets, the LED lights all the way around. Then you got LED lights on the floor. So if it's nighttime and you want to turn off a bunch of these lights, how cool is that?
There you go.
And look at the top here.
There you go.
All the way around. You just want like a night light?
Yeah. I like that. Does that light go around the AC or is just reflecting around the AC? So this is the grille.
Yes,
on this one.
New for 2025 as well. This has the Alpine subwoofer. This has the smart TV. Power sofa.
I'll come back here and sit down with you. Oh, there we go.
You know, something that the Heritage typically has are octagon seats. This one actually has a diamond stitch or something a little different. But I like this look. I mean, I really like these cabinets. I think it's sharp. How they're a little more modern feeling.
It does. It's got kind of a Euro style because it's got that rounded, you know, that radius.
Yeah.
Edge on the cabinets there. So does this open to the back?
It does.
Like we see in the other ones? Oh, there you go. Okay, so you can open that. That opens on the back there. Really nice. So, you know, I always ask you, who buys this?
Yeah, the person that might carry one more person up front, who doesn't just want to carry two people up front, who might say, you know what, we have a third person. Or the person who says that we want an extra seat, but we still want the bigger fridge.
Yeah.
You know, because if you didn't care about the fridge, you would just go with an MD4, I think.
But some people do care about the fridge. We hear about that a lot.
A lot of people
I know that, believe it or not, even though the stomach says otherwise.
Hey, I mean, I'm not.
Yeah. I don't care so much about the fridge because I feel like there's lots of places you could get stuff, but we do hear from a lot of people, they want to bring specific things with them that maybe they can't get in other places. They just can't run into a grocery store somewhere. So I get it. Yeah.
But, you know, introducing a new floor plan, you know, there are definitely things that we haven't thought about. I haven't sold any of these, so I don't know what kind of people are looking, but I do know that I like that it has a bigger fridge. I like that it does have another seat with a seat belt. So having 6 seat belts in here, I think is great.
Yeah, that's
having
great.
the big fridge is great. Having the Eco Freedom is great. So it's just another option. You know, people want options. They, you know, if they're spending this type of money on something, I want to make sure that they're getting what they want. And if they're like, man, I really wish I had that third seat up there.
So you want to wrap it up? Do you want to do this inside or outside?
Yeah, we can wrap it up right here.
Okay.
So this is here. We have over 100 Class B vans in Gainesville. We will fly you here. We will deliver for free to your house. Whatever you want, however we can make it easy for you to find the Class B RV of your dreams. So this is all we do all day, every day, our vans. We take care of our customers. We guarantee service appointments. We pick the vans up, bring them here on a flatbed truck. So when you buy your van from us, there are 0 miles on it. No one's ever driven it. No one's ever, they say, farted in the bed or pooped in the toilet.
There you go. The beauty, I think, of Sunshine State RV is you have all these different options. So you're coming into a van place with van people who know the van details.
That's true.
So there you go. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you think about this new floor plan layout. We'll see you. Peace. Boop.